Screpy is an AI-based SEO and web analysis tool that lets you and your team analyze and monitor all your website metrics in one dashboard. You need to monitor your website performance from SEO to page speed, but switching between different platforms is a pain. Stop worrying about missing important website metrics or checking multiple platforms. You need Screpy. Screpy combines the top website analytics and SEO tools you need to make sure your website is performing at top speed. Stay on top of your most important metrics. SEO Audit, Page Speed, W3C Validator, Uptime Monitoring, and Google Rank Checker (SRP) are all included with Screpy. Get downtime alerts, verify all the W3C standards on your website, and track your keyword ranking. With Screpy, you can test your website and monitor page speed all in one easy-to-use dashboard. See all your stats in one place, so you can identify and correct any issues and optimize your website based on real-time data. Improve your website performance with access to all the analytics and tools you need. Access Screpy today. Screpy key features: make sure your site is optimized with SEO analytics tools. Analyze and monitor all your web pages in one place. Get 24/7 uptime tracking and instant notifications. Screpy best for developers, marketing agencies, and small businesses. Screpy alternative to Ahrefs and SEMrush.
Thanks for watching. Check product link in video description.